What we have here, people, is a blue-eyed cicada. They said they wasn't around for 20 years, but guess what? We got it. We got the full thing. Blue-eyed cicada. Yeah, she's a beauty, ain't she? Yeah, she's definitely a beauty. Look at her. Blue-eyed, blue-eyed. Yeah, and she tried to attack me a few times, but I said, "No, baby, you got blue eyes. You worth like $15,000. I need to catch you." But yeah, she definitely a beauty, and she watches me, and she's kind of scary, you know. I don't know, you know. She's kind of spooky, but that's my baby. But there you go, blue-eyed cicada, the rarest breed of them all. See? Blue-eyed cicada. She's not even moving. Blue-eyed cicada. Rare footage. The cicada is not supposed to hit this area for another 20 years or 5 years, but guess what? I got her tonight. Blue-eyed cicada, people. Blue-eyed cicada. Yes, rare footage. Once in a lifetime footage. You will never see it again after today. Cut, and that's a wrap, people. Beautiful, guys, beautiful.